Hello, my dear learners. Welcome you to in this session. In this session, we will discuss MCQ for Chapter 4, Chapter 5, and Chapter 6. So let's get start. Chapter 4, Carbon and its compound. First question on your screen. On undergoing complete combustion in an adequate supply of oxygen and of organic compound produce only carbon dioxide and water vapor as the product. Based on this information, which of the following homologous series could the compound belong to? Right? Based on this information, which of the following homologous series cloud could the compound belong to? Alkenes, alcohol, aldehydes. Option 1, 2, 3, 4 on your screen. What should be the correct option of this question? Can you guess? I will go with 4. Any P, Q or R. And the 3 P, Q, R, any one will be the compound belongs to this homologous series. Now next question number 2 on your screen. A compound with which of the following functional group is most likely to cause the decomposition of baking soda to produce carbon dioxide? You see this one. Now let's see the option here. First is OH, P, COH, Q, CO, R, COOH. You know, this is double bond, this is double bond, this is a functional group. So 1 P, 2 Q, 3 R, 4 S, right? So most likely to cause the decomposition of baking soda to produce carbon dioxide is which? What should be the correct option of this question? 2, 4, S. S is the correct option of this question. Question number 3. A mole of ethane and 1 mole of ethane are separated made to completely undergoes addition reaction to form the respective saturated compound. Which of the following will be different for the two reactions? P. The number of moles of the saturated compound formed. The Q. The number of moles of the hydrogen consumed. So option we have 4, 1 only P, 2 only Q, 3 both P and Q, 4 neither P or nor Q. So what should be the correct option of the question number 3 on your screen is displaying. So we go with option 2, only Q, the number of moles of the hydrogen consumed here, right? The question number 4 on your screen, that is assertion and reason. So two statements are given. On label assertion A and the other label reason R, read the statements carefully and choose the option that correctly describes statements A and R. Assertion is here: vegetables oils are healthier than animal fats. Reason: a vegetable oils generally have long unsaturated carbon chain while animal fat have a saturated carbon chains. So you can go option 1, 2, 3, 4 we have given, right? So what should be the correct option for this question? I will go with the option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So we go with the option 1, right? Next question you see on your screen, that is a 3 marks question. Here alkanes are saturated compound of carbon and hydrogen that can be represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. An example of such compound is ethane C2H6. Maya has a compound of carbon and hydrogen whose formula is C3H4. What is the true about the type of flame this compound will give on combustion? Draw all the possible state chain structure of this compound. So when we complete this answer, we get 3 marks. So how it will be? Marking scheme of that. First, the compound being unsaturated. The compound being unsaturated will burn with a sooty or smoky flame. The second, we get 1 mark. and 1 marks for each of the following. When you form this chain, we get 1 marks. When you form this chain, we get 1 marks. That is total 2 marks. You are able to do this one. There is no required to explain here, my dear learners. So come to the next question. The question number C here. Bromine water is a reduced solution of bromine in water. When shaken with an unsaturated hydrocarbon, the red color of the bromine water disappears because the bromine is used up in an addition reaction, right? So Kohli has three test tubes containing hexane, hexene and hexine respectively. Which of three compounds can be identified using the bromine water test? Give a reason for your answer. It is a carry 1 mark, so how can we find? So see on the screen hexane. When you write hexane for the first and second, only hexane will not decolorize the bromine water. Hexane will not decolorize the bromine water, so we get 1 mark for this when we write like this one. Question number. Now come to the next chapter I have discussed in the earlier chapter. Here is the periodic classification of elements. We will see the MCQ question from this chapter. First question on your screen. See on your screen. Two statements are given. One label assertion and the other label reason. Read the statements carefully and choose the option that correctly describe the statement A and R. Assertion is what? In the periodic table, atomic size increase from left to right across a period. Reason in the periodic table, number of valence shells electrons increase on the moving from left to right across the period. Left or right? Right. When you move left to right, increase. Right. So we have a 4 option 1, 2, 3, 4. We will go for what? I will go for 4 option. A is false but R is true. In the periodic table, number of valence shells electron increase on the moving left to right, but in the periodic table, atomic size increase from the left of right is wrong. It is right to left, right? The next question for you. You see here the can tritium, which is an isotope of hydrogen, can be placed in the periodic table? If yes, then in which position? Justify your answer. Answer the following question based on the given information. Electronegativity is defined as the tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself. In 1932, chemist Linus Pauling developed a scale to compare the electronegativities of the different elements. Given below are the electronegativities of the first 20 elements of the periodic table. According to the Pauling scale is what? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium, bromine, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, right? So we for this question again I am showing you this question. Can tritium, which is an isotope of hydrogen, be placed in the periodic table? If yes, then in which position? Justify your answer. You see here for 2 marks we can struggling in the examination, so how can you write? Yes, can we write? Yes, it can be placed in the periodic table. You get 0.5 marks. At the same position as hydrogen, you get 0.5 marks. Elements are arranged in periodic table according to atomic number. Elements are arranged in periodic table according to atomic number. And the last for this question, tritium has the same atomic number as hydrogen. So we get 2 marks like this. You can write in exam. The next question on your screen, it is also containing 2 marks. Let's see. Which type of bond is likely to be formed between atoms of elements with electronegativities 3.44 and 2.58? Justify your answer. For 1 marks, how can we write? Covalent bond you write, you get 1 marks. For other 1 marks, the two elements are both non-metal. Neither or the two elements can lose electrons easily. When you write this one, any other valid reason can be expected. You can write other, but when you write like this one, you get the 2 marks for this question, right? The next question on your screen from this chapter, periodic table, that is a 4 question. Number 4 here is showing, yes, Why do the noble gas in the rightmost group not have an electronegativity value on the Pauling scale? Answer the following questions based on the given information. A part of the Manlife's periodic table from the 1860s is shown below. 1 mark for anyone? You see, they do not react with other elements and they do not form bond with other elements, right? Again, I am going to read this question. Why the noble gases in the rightmost group not have an electronegativity value on the Pauling scale, right? So when you get 1 marks, you write like this one, you get the 1 marks. They do not react with other elements and they do not form bonds with other elements, right? The next question on your screen is question number 5. Which family of elements that constitutes a group in the modern periodic table is completely missing in this table? Give one example from this family of elements. For 0 point, noble gases or inert gas. Noble gases or inert gases. The second, helium, neon, argon, krypton, hexagon, radon. These are the given an example of this family element. That this is the helium, neon, argon, and krypton, and hexagon, radon as the example of the family of elements, right? The next question on your screen, you see which property of element does Mendeleev use for which property of elements does Mendeleev use for classifying elements when he referred to the formula of oxides and hydrides indicated in the top row? Dear, for this one, 1 marks you get you when you write valency. Valency is the answer of this question. The question number 7. Name the property of elements which is the basis of the modern periodic table but was not used by Mendeleev to make his periodic table. So you write first atomic number, right? And the second can we write here? Second can we write here for second electronic configuration. Configuration. When you write this one, you get the 1 marks. Move to the next chapter, that is a life process. It is related to the biology. So first question on your screen, two statements, assertion and reason. Assertion is warm blooded animals have their left and right side of the heart separated for more efficient supply of oxygen to the body, and the reason is warm blooded animals needed high energy to maintain their body temperatures. Option having 4. What would be the answer of this one? I go with option 1. Both A and R are both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So option would be 1. For the second question, you see hemoglobin and chlorophyll have similar structures. A molecules have hemoglobin is composed of the atoms of 4 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, all 4 organized around iron. A chlorophyll is composed of the same elements which are organized around the magnesium. Considering the above information, which element of hemoglobin is most likely responsible for the red color of our blood? Hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, iron. Which is the responsible? We go with iron. Iron well responsible for the red color of our body, right? The question number 3 from this chapter. Many processes happen in the bodies of living organisms. Those processes which involve the building up of complex molecules from the simpler ones are called anabolism. Those who involve the breakdown of complex molecules into simpler ones are called catabolism. Catabolism. Option we have digestion, respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis. I will go with the photosynthesis, right? It is very important question, my dear learners. You must be watch it and keep in mind, right? The next question on your screen, that is a 4 question. You see here is the figure given below a diagram of nephron. Yo, it is the diagram of nephron, right? Here is the option we have. One, P is the filtration, Q is the selective reabsorption, reabsorption. 2. Q is the filtration, S is the selective reabsorption. 3. Q is the filtration, R is the selective reabsorption. 4. P is the filtration and R is the selective reabsorption. So we have a 4 option. I think that what would be the correct option of for this question, and 3 is the correct answer. Q and R. Q and R. Q is the filtration, R is the selective reabsorption. The question number 5, you see again it is given which row in the table below show the correct products of anaerobic respiration in humans in and in yeast. Human X, humans carbon dioxide, yeast wrong, carbon dioxide wrong. 2. Lactic acid, carbon dioxide no, carbon dioxide no, yeast carbon dioxide. 3. Lactic acid no, carbon dioxide yes, yeast lactic acid, carbon dioxide no. In the 4 option, lactic acid, carbon dioxide in humans, yeast having lactic acid but not carbon dioxide. I think that what would be the correct option for this question? Can you guess? I go with 2, right? In humans, lactic acid present, but carbon dioxide no. In yeast, lactic acid present, no, but carbon dioxide present, right? Which row in the table below show the correct products of anaerobic respiration in humans and in yeast, right? Like this one, you can give the answer, you will choose the correct option. Now read this question. Yes, read the following 2 statements and answer the question. Gastroparesis is a disease in which the muscles of the stomach become paralyzed and cannot contract or relax, right? Second, foods high in fat can delay the process of digestion and the emptying of the stomach. Which of the following food would be advised to a patient suffering from the gastroparesis? Soup and juice only, soups and chicken salads only, fried chicken and fried rice, ice cream and milk only. 4 option we have, right? So I go with first option. Soups and juices only we will feed to the gastroparesis patient. The question number 7 here, you see which row of the table given below correctly give the movement of gases across the blood and cells. You see RBC, from RBC to cell process, diffusion from cell to RBC, osmosis, RBC cell osmosis, cells plasma osmosis, RBC cells osmosis, cells RBC diffusion, RBC. We have a 4 option. Here is the also 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the correct option here? PQRS. PQRS. How possible? Okay. 7 we go through the 4 option. Right. Is not here. Yes, RBC cell diffusion and cells plasma diffusion. Right? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Right? Which row of the given table given below correctly give the movement of gases across the blood and cell? Read the statement here. Amount of carbon dioxide produced per molecules of glucose during aerobic respiration, amount of carbon dioxide produced per molecule of glucose during fermentation by the yeast. X is more than Y, X is less than Y, X is equal to Y cannot be determined. We have a 4 option. I hope that is 1. X is more than Y. Right? For 9 question number, you see it containing 3 marks. How we will explain? You see on the screen. Human beings exhibit double circulation during which blood is passes through the lungs and heart. State the route of the first and second circulation through the chambers of the heart and explain the usefulness of such circulation in humans. Name the blood vessel tag. Question start here. One carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. A. During first circulation, oxygenated blood from lungs come to the left atrium to left ventricle to pass to the body. During second circulation, deoxygenated blood from body comes to the right atrium and the right ventricle to pass for oxygenation to the lungs again. It gets 0.5 marks for each point. Allows for separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in the body. We get 1 marks. For 0.5 marks, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery. What you pronounce, it is not matter. You see on the screen. I again pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery. Someone pulmonary vein. Like this one. You write this answer, we get 3 marks. Right? For today, that's it, my dear learners. I hope that it will helpful to you and you success. God bless you. Okay. Thank you, my dear learners.